everyone, thanks for coming back for another swatch video. This one's going to be really fun. It's a special color. I am going to swatch for you all 4 of my teal lipsticks. So teal can be kind of a matter of perception, right? It's not quite green, it's not quite blue. These are 2 hard candy lipsticks. Teal is somewhere in between. It can lean more green, it can lean more blue. You'll see in the swatches, and I am going to swatch these 2 hard candy ones for you as well. I sometimes will just call it aqua also. I mean, those are kind of the same to me. Aqua maybe feels a little lighter in color, but it's really a matter of perception. Some of these you might say are cyan. Some of them you might say aquamarine or aqua or teal. I don't know. I'm going to call them teal. They're a mix of green and blue, and we've kind of got a good gradient of like light to dark. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you can imagine, teal is kind of hard to find. Sorry about my nails. That's just how it is when you have anxiety and a lot of animals. So I had to work a little harder to find teal lipsticks. All of these, I believe I got online. The first one I'm going to swatch is by Aromi. I've only ever seen that on Amazon. I believe this one was a little bit expensive. I think it was $17. I'll post it below. The cap came off. I just need to glue it back to it, so I'm just gonna have to unscrew this part, which is fine. This is probably the lightest teal that I have. If you see some weird blotches or like bruisey looking things, it's not that, it's previous swatches, so sorry, but that's what happened. Why does this keeps getting bigger and bigger, and I'm trying to keep it like relatively rectangle. All right, so this is kind of in between a blue and green, like I said, duh. This is a nice liquid lipstick. It stays pretty long. It dries down. I think it dries down matte, but it's not like annoyingly matte. Like it's not annoyingly dry. Very good coverage. On the skin, it'll last several days. It's kind of crazy. The lips it'll wear off around the middle a little bit. I think I'm going to get more of these when I can afford it or have coupons or something. So this is the first one. It's called Seafoam. The next is another brand I've only ever seen on Amazon. It's called Mynena. I'm just realizing there's something underneath of it. Mattified lips, I think it says underneath. These are about $10 or so. This, on me, looks like more of a medium teal. Yep, and in the swatch it does too. This is another one that will stay on your skin like for days. Like I was swimming and showering afterwards and stuff, and like these 2 swatches were still on my arm when I first got them. So another brand that I recommend. Both are cruelty free. I'm sorry, I didn't say the name of that other one. Mynena, this is called Ivy. This next one I think was the first teal that I got, and I had to search high and low for it. I don't think it's made anymore, but it's by Lime Crime, and it's called Peacock. I don't know if Lime Crime is still around or was part of a controversy or something. It's a little one and it's a little doe foot. It's the darker teal. And you can definitely see how that has both blue and green in it. This one lasts pretty long. It dries down pretty drying. It's a gorgeous color. It's absolutely gorgeous. You could make it be a blue if you really wanted to, but I see it as a teal. And then we've got one Wet n Wild bullet lipstick that's actually teal. This is called Teal to Be Devil. This was a limited edition. Well, it says right here limited edition. It's a Mega Last Matte. I don't know if it was a Halloween edition or something like that, but it is a matte bullet lipstick that is teal. It's kind of convenient because if I go out with one of these on, especially this Peacock one, if I want to retouch but I don't have a mirror, like it's easier for me to just like throw on a bullet lipstick without a mirror than like trying to line the liquid lipstick. Not gonna undo it that high because they tend to break. So this is gorgeous to just put over it. These Mega Last Matte are very matte. They're very drying. I normally don't like them very much, but the teal is really special, and it's a solid teal. I love that a lot. It's kind of between these two colors, I think. This one is pulling more blue now, but let me show you with the other comparisons. Pat McGrath lipsticks have this lip on them, but so do some of the Wet n Wild ones. And these are like $3, and Pat McGrath lipsticks are like $30. So I wonder if that was on purpose that they put these lips on here. So these two are unfortunately discontinued by Hard Candy, but it's what I consider a true blue and a true green. So let me go ahead and swatch these on the ends for you so you can kind of see the comparison. This one's called Night Queen. Everything will be below. So actually now that I'm swatching it next to Teals, it looks it looks a little green. And then let me swatch the green over here. That's definitely green. All right, so these two look the same. Let me grab another blue. Usually that looks very blue to me, but let me use this little Wet n Wild multi-stick to kind of get like a solid blue here, because this one's looking kind of teal. It's not. It's blue, I swear. And luckily I do have a lot of blue lipsticks. I guess this is a little more navy, but you could see it's like between green and blue. This one pulls more blue than green, I think, but that's the darkest one, and I just think that's the quality of this one. These two, I can definitely now see both blue and green in them. So these 4 teals, I'm pretty proud of to have 4 teals, because there's not, you know, a lot of teal lipsticks. They're usually pulling blue, or they're, you know, normal lip colors and not wacky ones like I tend to wear. But I hope this was informative for you. If you know of more teal lipsticks, definitely let me know. I would love to expand this collection. But this is what I have as of January 2024. And I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll talk to you soon. Bye. Sorry about my nails. Whoops, this broke. This lid came off. It's still workable, but the lid came off. I don't know if it was a Halloween episode. It's easier for me to wear bullet lipsticks, like to just throw them on. Sorry, I'm shaking the thing. Maybe I'll pick another blue. Sorry, there's like a cat hair in it. Okay, now I'm done.